In Austin, Texas, the ongoing challenge of addressing homelessness has led to a variety of initiatives aimed at improving living conditions for individuals experiencing homelessness while also keeping the city clean and livable for all its residents. One critical aspect of this effort involves the role of junk removal services in cleaning up homeless encampments. These services are not only essential for maintaining public health and safety, but they also contribute significantly to supporting individuals who find themselves in vulnerable living situations. Junk removal services are often brought in to assist with the cleanup of homeless encampments, which can accumulate large amounts of debris, trash, and discarded belongings. Over time, these camps can become hazardous environments, posing risks of disease, pollution, and fire hazards. Removing the clutter and waste left behind not only helps the environment but also promotes the well-being of both the homeless community and the surrounding neighborhoods. A vital step in homeless encampment cleanup. The cleanup process for homeless encampments is not as simple as just removing trash. It requires careful coordination, sensitivity, and respect for the people who call these areas home, even temporarily. Many junk removal services in Austin work alongside local governments, nonprofit organizations, and outreach teams to ensure that their efforts are part of a larger strategy to help individuals transition to safer and more stable living conditions. The presence of trained and empathetic junk removal teams ensures that the cleanup process is done with dignity, understanding, and an awareness of the complexities involved. One of the primary goals of junk removal in these situations is to clear away hazardous materials, such as needles, broken glass, and rotting food, which pose significant health risks. The removal of these items can reduce the chances of disease outbreaks in both the homeless population and the wider community. With a swift and efficient cleanup, junk removal services help to ensure that dangerous elements are promptly taken care of, giving way to safer environments for everyone. Supporting homeless outreach and housing solutions. Junk removal services also play a supportive role in the city's broader efforts to address homelessness. By keeping areas clean and free of excess debris, these services create more sustainable living spaces for individuals who may be transitioning out of homelessness or in need of temporary shelter. In some cases, the cleanup is part of a larger initiative that includes providing access to social services, healthcare, and housing solutions for those experiencing homelessness. This holistic approach addresses both the immediate need for a clean and safe environment, as well as the long-term goal of helping individuals find stability. Furthermore, junk removal services can help ease the burden on homeless outreach programs by eliminating the logistical challenges associated with clearing encampments. By working closely with outreach teams, junk removal professionals ensure that their work aligns with the goals of social workers, case managers, and other experts who are focused on providing necessary resources and support to those in need. These efforts, although often unseen, contribute to the larger mission of reducing homelessness in the city. Building community partnerships. Junk removal services in Austin are not only making a difference in the lives of homeless individuals but also building stronger community partnerships. Through collaborations with local organizations and the city's government, junk removal companies play a vital role in fostering cooperation and understanding between different sectors of society. By addressing the cleanup needs associated with homelessness, these services help create a cleaner and more harmonious environment for both homeless individuals and Austin residents. Additionally, junk removal companies are helping to raise awareness about homelessness and its impact on local communities. As they work to remove the visible signs of encampments, they also raise important questions about the systemic causes of homelessness and the solutions needed to address it. By being involved in these cleanup efforts, junk removal services become active participants in the conversation around affordable housing, mental health resources, addiction recovery, and other critical factors that contribute to homelessness. Conclusion: junk removal services in Austin play a significant role in the cleanup of homeless encampments, contributing to public health, safety, and the dignity of individuals who are experiencing homelessness. Their work extends beyond simple waste removal. It is part of a coordinated effort to address the needs of vulnerable populations while improving the overall livability of the city. Through collaboration with local organizations, outreach teams, and the community, junk removal companies help create cleaner, safer spaces for everyone, while also supporting the larger goal of reducing homelessness and providing long-term solutions for those in need.